Hi, girls and boys. Let's see how we can heal our Jupiter or Brahaspati or Guru in our horoscope with the simple thing as turmeric or haldi in Hindi. I've been observing people from south, the ladies especially. So they wear a thread with which they have tied their Mangal Sutra, and this they use turmeric every day. They use turmeric while taking bath, and then at the same time they apply this turmeric powder on the thread that is tied with the Mangal Sutra. This cotton thread, which is dyed in yellow, is with turmeric and it is with the Mangal Sutra. The sutra means thread. When we say the word sutra, it means thread. Traditionally, people believe that this is a symbol of long life of the husband, that is auspicious, that it gives longevity to the life of the husband, and for the marital bliss of the lady, it's a privilege and not a bond. South Indian weddings would be incomplete without turmeric. So the tali means the Mangal Sutra which they wear, or the sacred thread that the groom ties around the bride's neck is a cotton thread strained yellow with turmeric, with whole turmeric tied to the thread as well. So they have put a turmeric which is tied to the thread. A plate full of turmeric stained raw rice is passed around to all the elders, who would sprinkle it on newlywed couple to bless them. Kumkum or vermilion, the other star of a wedding, and a Hindu bride is turmeric treated with slaked lime. So basically they use lots of turmeric during the wedding ceremony. This yellow aspect or concept is basically related to Jupiter, as Jupiter is the most benevolent and natural benefic planet in astrology. Jupiter is the karka for education, finances, children, husband, and spirituality. So you can see how Jupiter is related to us in so many ways in our life. Husband, children, finances, spirituality, all these are very important bases in our lives. Then when Jupiter is weak or afflicted in your chart, then some of these significance or significations might suffer. So turmeric is a natural remedy for enhancing Jupiter power in your chart. So if you use turmeric in your daily life, you can improve the power of the chart. Turmeric possesses natural properties of Jupiter, and therefore in many Hindu rituals and customs, turmeric is used. I have seen many people putting yellow dot on the forehead or on the Ajna chakra. So even you can do it. You can mix turmeric with water and make a paste and apply it on your forehead. The Ajna chakra is often referred to as seat of the Guru, and when you apply turmeric on your forehead, you will feel a sense of calm and divine armor around you. So when you do that, it improves your the effect of Guru or Brahaspati or Jupiter in your horoscope. You can also make a symbol of Om or swastik with turmeric on the entrance of your house. You can also mark the boundaries of your house with turmeric. All these things will bring positive vibrations to your house and to you. Another thing you can do is you can keep a glass of water with a pinch of turmeric in your puja room, and after doing puja, sprinkle it all over the room. This will remove negative energies from the house. In case there is any case going on in the court or you have some enemies, a very powerful way to take them away from your life is by doing Baglamukhi mantra, but then you have to chant Baglamukhi mantra, but for that you should be having a mala made with turmeric beads. So it is really effective. If you need to do more of Baglamukhi puja, then you should be having your room also painted in yellow color, and you should be wearing yellow clothes while doing Baglamukhi mantra पाठ. हमने देखा कि साउथ इंडियन लेडीज़ जो हैं कैसे मंगलसूत्र को, सूत्र मीन्स थ्रेड को येलो कलर करके रोज़ उसको हल्दी लगाती है, और वो हल्दी हमारे स्किन को टच करती है. एक तो एंटीसेप्टिक है, और वो दूसरी जगह वो हमारे ग्रह जो जुपिटर ग्रह है उसको एनहांस करती है, उसको अच्छा करती है. तो ये दोनों तरह से उसको बेनिफिट ही करता है. एक तो उसकी स्किन अच्छी रहेगी, दूसरा उसका जो स्टार है, जो ग्रह है, वो भी इम्प्रूव होगा, उसको फल देगा, अच्छा फल देगा, उसको हर तरफ से तरक्की देगा. तो नहाते समय आप अगर हल्दी को यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने, जब भी नहाएं तो थोड़ा बहुत हल्दी को यूज़ करें अपनी बॉडी पे, पानी में डाल लीजिए, और या फिर कोई थ्रेड है उसको आप अपने गले पे डाल सकते हैं, गले में डाल सकते हैं या फिर अपने बाजू पे बांध सकते हैं और उसको रेगुलरली हल्दी लगाते रहें। इसी तरह वो हल्दी आपकी स्किन को टच करती रहेगी और आपको हेल्दी रखती रहेगी।